Yung sobra, mayroon pa naman eh. Only? Good morning world. Here. Today we're here in Millennium Hotel, downtown. Because it's Bambi's birthday. Nag-check-in me and then directly we went to the church. And then today, early in the morning, bicycle ko and then nag-swimming. And then, pagkatapos ng swimming, naghuwat ko dire kay mag-steam ko pagka mag-shower. And then, I have to go to second service. So, today is very relaxing and fit day. Dako-dako lang ang tiyan. Dali ra ko kay nag-swimming kay init kay sanan siguro mga 15 minutes. Tapos nag-bicycle ko mga 20 minutes. And then, yes. Waiting sa tawon dito. Muna siya dito yung ilang locker sa Millennium Hotel. Locker sa mag-steam ka ba? Mag-steam o mag-sauna. Muna siya ang ilang steam. Tapos muna sila ilang sauna. See? Sauna. Relaxing. And then muna siya dito ilang mga shower area. Very nice. Nindot magudog mag-steam ka kay ma-relax ka, mawala yung mga toxic. So, thank you. Have a nice day and today is Sunday. So, after this, I will attend for the second service. And see you today. Have a nice day. And bye. Pagkahuman ako ani, I have to go for breakfast. Thank you. Kay ingon sa Bambi nga kami daw free breakfast man. So kami nila ni Jane ang mag-breakfast. So thank you. Bye. Have a nice and have a godly day. Thank you so much. Bye. Welcome to my vlog. What you have? See, my face is so reddish, pinkish. So this is like this. See, this is yan. What do you call that, Bernice? The museum? Museum of the Future. See, on my background, it's the Museum of the Future. Kasi we are here in Millennium check-in for Bambi's birthday. Then yan. Yan ang Museum of the Future. Yes. So nice. See? See yan. Museum of the Future. It's so nice. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. We just finished our Sunday service, and today is a great day because yesterday is the celebration of birthdays Bambi. Nag-birthday celebration si Bambi kay birthday na niya. And then naamay dire sa Millennium naka-check-in. And then, tingnan mo naman ang view. Pati ang naong nako, tingnan mo naman ang view. Very, very strange. Beautiful. Init kaayo, nakaligo ko kanina sa swimming pool. And then, naka-gym po ko, naka-bike. And then, heading to breakfast. And then, going to the church for the second service. So, second service ko natin. It's so nice and it's so relaxing. Thank you so much for watching. See, it's so nice, Bernice. Beautiful. See? Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.